Welcome to Jobs and Pods, the only podcast where you can hear real employers talk about their jobs and tell you what it's like to work there. I'm your host, Chris Russell. This Jobcast will feature GE's Water and Process Technologies Commercial Leadership Program, CLP. The CLP program is a 24-month program designed to develop commercial talent within the GE Water and Process Technologies business. Qualified candidates can expect a great deal of top management exposure while on the program. Water CLPs grow technically by participating in a wide variety of hands-on projects within their area. CLPs will work closely with veteran account managers in applying new technologies GE Water has to offer into the local industrial markets. The program includes formal classroom training in GE state-of-the-art facilities, mentoring from senior leadership, and career planning during 2 years, leading to a full-fledged commercial role as an account manager. Joining us today to discuss the role is Water and Process CLP program member Josh Koontz. Hello, Josh. Welcome to Jobs and Pods.
Hey, Chris. Thanks for having me.
Excellent. So why did you choose GE, Josh?
I was faced with that decision about a year and a half ago. I had 3 different job opportunities, on the table there, equally the same, and all from admired companies. So I had to kind of do a little soul searching there and came up with 3 different criteria to base that decision on.
Okay.
Training and development was 1. Career advancement was 2, and then 3, I want to work in a positive and engaging work environment.
Right.
Looking at all the other companies, they were pretty good, but GE's CLP program pretty much exceeded my expectations on all 3 of those areas. The sole focus of the program is on training and development, so that fit the bill. Career advancement, a company like GE that's just so large and diverse. The opportunities are endless there. And then, thirdly, the positive, engaging work environment. It's working around these other GE employees. Really, it's great to work around intelligent people.
Josh, how would you describe a typical day of a CLP?
In the water, it's going to be different every day. I maintain a consistent customer base, pretty much calling the same customers throughout the week, but each day is different. When I'm in those accounts, I really get a chance to pull out that detective cap and put some problem-solving skills to work. Typical day, I'd say you would arrive at the plant, meet with your customer contacts, ensure everything is working, operating, how it's designed, maybe run a few analytical tests just to ensure. And the remainder of the day would be spent working with operators and plant engineers to really learn the ins and outs of their systems. Once you have a good stronghold on how their process operates, you can use the tools and the resources that GE has laid at your fingertips with this training to design the projects that can save the plant capital, through better efficiency, increase product output, or decrease their manpower hours.
And speaking of that training, how would you describe that stuff?
That's all we do in the CLP program is train. We receive training on different mediums. We have a large number of computer-based training that's kind of lays the foundation, the baseline for a lot of the theories and concepts that we see out in the field. After you complete the online training, they send you to some classroom sessions, and there you meet with the GE engineers that design a lot of these projects and been out there. And chances are, if it's happened in the field, they've seen it or they know about it. So
right.
These guys are a wealth of knowledge, and they're the ones teaching you and passing on that knowledge to you. The training doesn't stop there. Each and every day, you work with either your technical mentor, your area manager, and they provide their insight and elaborate on site-specific projects or issues that you're seeing there, as well as your business acumen. We go on new business calls as well as contract negotiations. So pretty much a well-rounded training program.
Josh, what are the things you like about your job?
The biggest thing I enjoy is working autonomously, within my area. It's that ability to identify and prioritize projects, that best suit the needs of the customer and of GE. That hits home for me. I really enjoy that freedom. Also working with the wide variety of the different customers at different plants and just being exposed to so many different people and their viewpoints, really helps you to build your professional network and makes you well-rounded, keeps your mind open, and helps you with your troubleshooting as well.
Josh, how would you describe the people you work with? What are they like?
I would have to say, I could sum it up in a few words. creative, hardworking, intelligent, basically the kind of people that really help make the world go round.
How do you think the CLP challenges you?
It's a constant challenge. I love it. It's I got to say, one of the biggest challenges is that we have so much to learn. There's so many different avenues to focus on. You could go with your different industries, whether it be power or hydrocarbons, or perhaps you want to focus more on the chemical base or equipment solutions. The opportunities are endless there. Trying to determine exactly what you want, that's a challenge in itself. The CLP program, that program is designed to be challenging. It's a one-on-one program. The training received is invaluable because it focuses on just you.
Mm-hmm.
You're able to work with your mentor and explore your weaknesses and your strengths. So you work on improving your strengths while trying to focus in on improving those weak spots. So it's a challenge. Nobody escapes it because it's so personal.
Right. Josh, as far as career development goes, how do you think the CLP helps in that regard?
Yeah, it's exposure. If you like to be top management someday, or you want to be, in the field solving problems, the options are yours. They give you the avenues to undertake whatever is your fancy there. We have monthly teleconference meetings that are set up with other GE CLPs, not just in the water, but other businesses. So you can get their perspective on the other companies and see what they're all about. Each year we go to the famed Crotonville, New York, which is the training facility up there for all of GE,
mm-hmm.
and we meet with CLPs from across those businesses, and also top GE executives speak to us and provides us with that well-balanced perspective on big GE. I guess if you're looking for further development as well, the tuition program really can't be beat. So to sum it up, the CLP program, is exceptional for career development and training. Whether it be on the job or through a neighboring college, CLP program has provided me with that avenue.
All right, Josh, we thank you for your time today.
I enjoyed it.
And that will do for this edition of Jobs and Pods. For more information on careers at GE, visit gecareers.com. And to hear more Jobcasts like this, visit jobsandpods.com. Don't forget you can subscribe to our Jobcasts on iTunes. Just do a keyword search for Jobs and Pods. Thanks for listening.